May crush na din kasi talaga ako sa kanya. And we were able to talk nang hindi ako nahihiya. I don't usually talk to a lot of people. Pero si Mahal, siya yung nakapag-break ng shell na ma-develop din yung love namin.
The beauty and the grace. Nothing we would change at all. A feeling that is deeper than the ocean.
Natuwa tayo, natuwa.
To the sound of us.
Yan o.
Whisper of the wind.
Naku, alam na alam, taga San Jose del Monte yan. Sa ano po? Sa Sabano po. Una po nangyari doon, dinalhan niya po ako doon sa Sabano. Nakakotse po kami, hiram niya yung kotse ng parents niya. Tapos iniwan niya po ako doon sa loob ng kotse. Tapos siya bumili po doon siya sa may McDo. Thank you, McDo. Baka naman.
Night in the wilderness. We were made for all of this.
Baka pala ginaya namin yesterday. Oh my God.
And God wants to glorify His name in this new couple, si Jack at si Joy. Kaya nga gusto niya na palakasin at patatagin ang kanilang pasasamahan through not only legal means, sexual union, sabi nila kasal sa banig, that is not enough, but spiritual union.
Hindi madali. Mahirap. Madaming prayers, madaming iyak, madaming tawa. Pero alam natin kung gaano naging tapat yung ating Panginoon at kung gaano kahaba yung binigay niya sa atin. Grabe yung binigay niya sa atin, man.
Speaking to the soul of every longing, calling it to deeper light.
Hey, Mahal, I'm so excited na kakasal na tayo. Kahit hindi ganun pa katagal yung relationship natin, pero nag-step up tayo na magpakasal tayo together. And patuloy natin i-honor and i-please si God sa relationship natin. Maging God-centered yung relationship natin at mas maging good example pa tayo sa lahat. And see you later and I love you.
This is where it starts. This is where it starts.
Promise to live in righteousness in family natin. We are not perfect, but as long as we have God, everything will be alright. I love you always, man.
Walang atrasan to. I love you, man. Happy anniversary.
Ready for it all. This is who we are, and this is where it starts.